So good day everyone, good day Ma'am Ferrer. So we discuss about prison labor and place and assignments and confession credits. So prison labor refers to the use of incarcerated individual to perform work or provide service within correction facilities or for external entitles. The utilization of prison labor is often governed by specific regulation and debates around ethical considerations, fair compensation, and the potential for rehabilitation within the criminal justice system. So, prison labor kay ginagamit nila nga prisoner isa sa ila para magtrabaho sa sulod sa prisoner o kulungan nila. So mao na yung sistema nila og ilang kaso kay ginabuhat nila like agriculture o mga mga serbisyo og nagtuo sila nga basta tagan sila og trabaho kay mao nay ambag nila sa kulungan para masanay sila. So next, so here's the table of contents the prison labor. Number one, inmate work programs and correctional industry. Second, roadside work crews and agricultural labor. Third, prison industry enhancement certification program. Fourth, prison garment manufacturing. So here the table of content the prison labor. So number one, inmate work programs and correctional industries. So inmate work programs, many prison have program where inmates are assigned various tasks within the facility. This can include cleaning, maintenance, food service, and other jobs that help maintain the operation of the prison. So inmate work programs initiatives sila sa sulod sulod sa kulungan o lahi ilang trabaho like construction para magamit nila sa sulod o mao nay serbisyo nila napoy hatag nila og kanang kalingawan like pagkanta para mausab ilang mindset para magbinutan sila. Ang correctional industry, some prison operate industry where inmates produce goods or provide service, often sold to government agencies or private entitles. Correctional industry ay kanang active sila sa tagapagluto or mga pintal o unsa pa ilang na experience sa gawas mao pod ilang ma-apply sa sulod sa kulungan. Mao nay sistema nila sa sulod. So mao nay correctional industry. So next, roadside work crews and agricultural laborers. So roadside work crews, inmates may be assigned to work crews that perform tasks like roadside cleanup or maintenance supervised by correctional officer. So roadside work crews ang uban kay kanang nakakulong sa trabaho pod sila sa mao na ginatrabaho sa kalsada sa kilid or sa highway o labay o kanang mga basura ug uban pa. So mao na roadside work crews. Ang agricultural labor kay some reason have agricultural farm where inmates work on farms, cultivating crops or tending to animals. So agricultural labor kay active pud sila pag tanom sa kulungan para kanang masanay sila og kanang madisiplina sila sa sulod. So next, third is prison industry enhancement certification program. So this is federal program allows private sector partnership with correctional industries, enabling inmates to work for private company while still incarcerated. So prison industry enhancement program kay mao ni ang trabaho like mga kaning galimpyo sa mga kanal or kalakal o tighatag sila og serbisyo og kanang kanang produkto og naa sila maibaligya sa merkado. So mao nay prison industry enhancement certification program. So next, prison garment manufacturing. So prison garment manufacturing kay nagatag sila kalingawan sa mga prisoner like kanta kanang ginatudloan po nilang uban prisuhan kanang pag kanang pagkanta bitaw para makabalo pud sila kung sila sa mga vocalist o mapun 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 para masanay sila. So so that's the prison garment manufacturing. So place and assignments. These place assignments provide opportunities to delve into legal consideration related to the concept of place within the context of criminal law. So place and assignment crime scene is kanang tagalocate nila sa criminal to occur the offense of ang assignments is tasks or responsibilities given to legal professionals such as lawyers, prosecutors, or judges in handling criminal case. So mao nay place and assignments. So mao po ni table of contents, jurisdictional challenge in cybercrime case, second, fourth amendment and search warrants, third, crime scene investigation and chain of custody. So number one, so here's the jurisdictional challenge in cybercrime cases. Explore the legal complexities surrounding cybercrime, focusing on determining the appropriate jurisdiction when the crime occurs in the virtual space. So there's the jurisdictional challenge require international cooperation, the development of legal framework that transcends national boundaries, and the establishment of effective communication channel between law enforcement agencies globally. International collaboration is crucial to combating cybercrime effectively. That's the jurisdictional challenge. Next, second, Fourth Amendment and search warrant. So analyze a hypothetical scenario involving a search warrant, discussing the legal requirements for obtaining one and evaluating its validity based on the Fourth Amendment, particularly of a reasonable expectation of privacy in a specific place. So the Fourth Amendment in search warrant is the right of the people to be secure in their person, like house, papers, and effect against an unreasonable search and seizures, and should not be violated, and no warrant shall issue but upon probable cause support by oath or affirmation, and particular describing the place to be searched and the person or thing to be seized. So next, crime scene investigation and chain of custody. Investigate the importance of maintaining the integrity of a crime scene and the chain of custody for evidence emphasizing the legal significance of preserving the place where a crime occurred. So, crime scene investigation involved the systematic collection, documents, and analysis of physical evidence at the location where a crime occurred. The chain of custody is a crucial component of this process, ensure the integrity and admissibility of evidence in legal proceeding. So that's the crime scene investigation and chain of custody. So next, so here's the third topic, confession credits. Refers to situations where a defendant's confession or admission of guilt is considered as evidence in their favor, potentially leading to a more lenient sentence. So confession credits can incentivize cooperation and save resources. Their use raises ethical and legal consideration. Authorities must ensure that confessions are obtained voluntarily without coercion, or there's additional legal system must strike a balance between encourage cooperation and safeguard the rights of the accused to a fair and just process. Next, so here's the table of contents, the confession of credits, reduced sentence, charge reduction, immunity, or leniency for cooperation. So first, reduced sentence. An individual may receive a shorter prison term or a less severe punishment in exchange for admitting guilt, cooperating with the prosecution, or providing valuable information about other criminal activities. So, redu- ang reduced sentence refers to a situation in which a convicted individual receives a shorter prison term or a less severe punishment than the maximum penalty prescribed by law. This reduction can be granted for various reasons, and one common factor is the cooperation of the individual with law enforcement or the law system. So that's the reduced sentence. Second is charge reduction. The prosecution might agree to reduce the severity of the charge against the defendant if they confess, potentially leading to a less severe sentence than if the case went to trial. So, charge reduction, also known as plea bargaining, is a legal process in which a defendant agrees to plead guilty to a less serious charge in exchange for a more lenient sentence. So, third, immunity or leniency for cooperation. In some cases, individuals who confess and cooperate extensively with law enforcement may receive immunity from prosecution for certain offense or leniency in sentencing. So, immunity or leniency for cooperation refers to a legal arrangement in which a person involved in criminal activity receives reduced punishment or legal protection in exchange for providing assistance to law enforcement, prosecution, or investigator. This cooperation can include providing information, testifying as a witness, or assisting in the investigation or prosecution, and other individual involved in criminal activities. So that's the immunity or leniency for cooperation. So that's all the discussion. So thank you for listening my reporting. That's all. So here's the reference